and does these shots, and you always have to walk back for the camera. Good morning, good morning! I'm in the beautiful sunshine of, I think I'm in Mount Torrens. But yeah, this is today's video. I'm just heading out on my own. Like, I have been going out with some of the locals around here and some people that are over, so I do know people here, but there's something about like just riding on your own that I really, really like. So probably do about 100k today. And yeah, beautiful weather. It's not as hot today, thankfully. Yesterday I went into Adelaide and God, I was just sweltering. I couldn't even walk around. I was just so warm. And apparently for in Adelaide, that's not even that hot. Yeah, just enjoying the scenery today. This is the first little shop that I've seen. I've been out for a good few hours, so I thought I will stop, have a little can of pop, have some dates, and just have a quick chat with you. Also, I've just realised that I've not shown you my new bike. So that is going to be in part of today's video. So I will stop somewhere pretty later on, and well, this is nice here, but I'll get a nice little view in the background for you, and show you the bike. It is my new bike, but it's not my new bike. I'll explain a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to head on my merry way now. I'm going to finish my drink. I just love Adelaide. Just love Australia. I just love it. Do you know what I really like about it, actually? And it's quite a specific thing. I love the sounds. Like, the birds have got a very specific Australian sound, and I just love it. And the smells, I don't know, it's just makes me very happy. I'm very, very fortunate I get to come and ride here. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on and get pedalling. So I thought I would take the time while I'm on this very beautiful road to show you my beautiful new bike, because I've not shown it to you, and I feel like how rude that I've been here, what, 3 or 4 days, and I've not even shown you my very new bike. So let me just explain. So this is the bike that I've chosen, but this won't be the exact bike that I get to ride because I'm getting a custom colour on it. So if you saw the original video of when I was choosing bikes, I was deciding between the CGR, whether I was going to get a carbon or a titanium. Went for titanium. Bloody love it. It's just phenomenal to ride. And then I was looking either between the Endurance SL or the Endurance SLR, which is their like top spec range of bikes for endurance. So I've had a bit of time to ride the SL and the SLR, and I guess the main differences between them are the SLR is slightly lighter, and it's the carbon layup of it means it's a little bit stiffer. So that's what the race team use. I've ridden both, and I feel like if I was racing and I wanted the stiffest possible bike, the SLR would be exactly what I would go for. But because I'm not racing, I just feel like I don't know, I just don't feel like I need it. And also because of that extra stiffness, I think for the length of rides that I'm doing, like 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 1,000k rides, I felt that extra stiffness would be a little bit too stiff. For racing, yes, but for the type of really long rides that I'm doing, I just don't think it's necessary for me to go for that very top spec. So I've gone for the second down top spec, which is the SL. I am in love with it. When I first went out on it, it feels I'm just very excited to be riding it. And you're probably all thinking like, oh, you've got to say that. I genuinely don't, but I bloody love it. So let me show you the beautiful bike that is the SL. So here we have the beautiful SL. So this colour scheme, I actually really like this now. Not that I didn't at the start, but I was like, oh, I really liked the look of the SLR, like the matte black. But I do really like this, but potentially I will be getting custom colour on the one that I guess get to keep. So I will do another video when I actually get the one that I'll be riding for the rest of the year, but this is just kind of like a little introduction to the SL that I'll be riding. So this has got Ultegra on it. It's got these beautiful wheels. I've just basically taken them off the what do you call it, CGR. So yeah, I am in love with it, and it is rim brake. There is a disc brake version, but for summer riding and for stuff like this, I'm all about rim brakes. I'm always like, save the rim brake, because I don't know, I mean, it is a very divisive issue in the cycling community, so let me know if you prefer rim or disc brakes. But for summer riding, for just smooth roads, rim brakes all the way. So I'm going to head off and carry on riding. Oh, how peaceful is it on here? It's so pretty. Listen. I was saying before, I love the sounds of Australia. Should be an album title. Just love it. Happy. Right, let's go. I'm a little bit lost. The gravel got a little bit too gravelly, potentially for this bike. It was pretty sketchy and pretty steep, like that. And so I've come off. I don't know where I am, but I'm just gonna. I think that's the beauty of being out on your own, just doing a nice ride. I'm just gonna ride and just figure out how to get back onto the route. No dramas. A lovely guy in a car stop just like, are you okay? And I was like, oh yeah, I'm just a little bit, just don't know where I am. I'm not lost, I just don't know exactly where I am on the route that I planned, but it doesn't matter because all roads will lead back to where I'm staying. So got a new route up to get me home. Good evening, I am back, I am showered, I have eaten, and I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Hope you've enjoyed looking at the new bike. And so tonight I've just been planning out, arranging to do a bit of a group ride tomorrow, kind of a bit of an Audax style distance. So yeah, I'll be filming, of course, so you'll be seeing that in the next couple of days. And so yeah, the upload thing has been a bit off. Like I've not done the set number of videos and times that I would normally upload, obviously because I'm at the other side of the world and it's just a little bit all over the place. So yeah, let me know what kind of stuff you want to see from the Tour Down Under, because I'm going to be there watching. And so yeah, anyway, I will see you next video.